hold on. Hold on to the side, Jackson. So we've got the mad rollers here. Do a little bit of dancing here on the mad rollers. Yeah, so Jackson's got to be accompanied because he's under 5. Whoa, whoa, hold on to the sides. Hold on to the... Right, so we've got the magic disc here. Right, you've got to hold on. There we go. Jackson, slow down. Stay with me, please. Oh, sorry about this. So we've got the magic rollers here. Jackson's walking through gently, holding on to the side like a good boy. Yeah, so it's 3 tokens go on this one. Oh, mad rollers. Mad rollers here as well. Oh, got bumpy head. Which head? Oh, a little rickety bridge. And we stop. We give Mummy a smile. There you go. Lovely view of the little... It's only a little funfair, but it's good fun. Right, holding to the sides. That's it, doing well there. Oh, watch out, they're going to bonk you. So, this is Jackson's first experience of a Funhouse. Oh. Okay, go round there, go through there. There's nothing out that side, just walk out. So you don't have to go into these things. There we go. Oh. There we go, some more little steps. Oh, don't bump me. Oh. Okay, shall we let these... Oh, that was a bit noisy. So we go into a wall of mirrors. Oh, that's a scary monster, isn't it? Yeah. Yeah. Okay. Here we go. Is this the last bit?
No, it isn't. There's a something.
Okay. Oh. Whee! Down the slide. Oh, quick, get out of me. Oh, magic mirrors. Oh, there's another one, different here. Makes you slim. With your big belly. Makes you tall.
I'm taller.
Shorter. Are you taller? You're tall, aren't you? Right, and here we go, magic barrel time. No, you can have to do it by yourself. I can't come through with you, Jackson. You can only do one at a time. Go that way, go. Quick. Right, here we go. I don't know how I'm going to manage this one. I've never done one of these before. Whoa. What? Oh, okay. Right, so I'm going to have to talk all the way through this because of copyright issues. Yeah, so you get 2 goes on this. So here we go again. Through the blowy bit. And the guy told me that, just stand in the middle. The guy told me if you do the barrel thing, where you do a handstand, it actually cuts out. Okay? Go. Woo! Oh, sorry. Having too much fun there. And we had a ruler. Take your time, Jackson, don't want you to fall over. I'm cheating a bit, I'm walking down the side. Feel like the Queen. Oh, sorry, Donald. There we go. Oh. Stop. Can't get through. There we go. Yeah, great. I haven't done one of these for a long time. There you go. Magic slides. No, Stan, he must sit down. Just go down the side. Oh, just give myself a wrist injury. Get it down. Through the hall of mirrors. There we go. Jackson going to manage it this time.
Help me, Dad.
No. Right, secret is just walk that way. Here I go. So I can do it this time. Cheers to that. They're fantastic. I love that. That's amazing.
No, Jackson.
No, Jackson.
Jackson, no, look at that.
Was that good fun?
Yep.
Right.